Good day, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this. I want to show you guys how I took this to. I was on the 29th of January. That was Thursday. I was looking for buy opportunity, at this area. At this area that sweep the liquidity. After this liquidity got swept and market shift occur, markets have never get back to this other flow that caused this market shift and this other block right here. All this movement right here is liquidity. I thought markets will come back to this area and continue this uptrend. I did not expect this downtrend. That's why I did not expect it. But I took this opportunity, like when I see what market did around this area. Though I changed my mind, I thought market will make use of this area, other flow that caused this break of structure, that caused this break of structure. Probably market might not get back to this area. But when market take out this other flow, when market take out this other flow, I look for sell opportunity. But I see like market will come back to this, this other block. Probably market will not continue this up after market get to this other block. I took this trade because of what I see. Like I wait for my confirmation though. I wait for this confirmation. This is the last structure of market day before market take out this other flow. And the market creates the liquidity before market, move to this downside. And there's other flow. I mean, sorry, if you look gap at this area, market went back up and then sweep this liquidity. Market did not touch that fair value gap though. Market did not touch that fair value gap. And market cause the market shift right here. There's market shift right here. When this market shift occur, I wait for another confirmation. Market went back up, to mitigate this other block, this 1 minute order block that sweep the liquidity. When market is moving down to the downside, this bullish candle was bearish candle. I have to enter around this area. I enter around this area before that candlestick turn to this bullish. I market the all this. Then I target this sell side liquidity, the sell side liquidity. I market it out to profit. I took another trade on Friday. I saw a good on Friday too. Let me show you guys how I took the trade. Yeah, like I said, like on Thursday I took another trade. I was looking for buy opportunity before I saw this. I saw this market right here. I was looking for buy opportunity. When market get to this area, market shift occur right here. That's why I took this trade. That's why I took this trade. Market shift occur right here. And there's very little gap before market shift occur. And market build this liquidity. I place my order right here at this very little gap. I place my order. Market move like 1:1.5, then you know go against me. It is what it is. Let me show you the trade I took on the Friday. That was on the 30th of January. That was yesterday. Yeah, this is the trade right here, guys. This is the trade. Like when I see like gold is still moving down, I got the market around this area. Yeah, and London session on Friday, I saw the market around this area, do all these movements. So I was like, okay, what market is going to do? Though I was looking for only sell opportunity. I was looking for only sell opportunity because when market, we had to this area, like touch this area, then move to the downside, then touch it again, we had like this. I was like, I'm going to look for sell opportunity. I figured out the area that caused all this, change market movement around this area. There is in 1 minute there is other block. Can I call it other block? There is a candlestick right there, that cause market to, market mitigate it, go up, mitigate it, then cause all this movement before market take it up. And market mitigate it again, That's like demand zone turn to supply. Let me show you in 1 minute. Yeah, I need to sum it out. This area right here. This area, I thought market will continue this uptrend though. Probably market, will continue the uptrend. When this high refused to break this low, and it caused break of structure right here. It caused break of structure, and this is the mini structure before market take out this high, and before market take out this high, the market mitigate it again, go up, then mitigate it again, go up. So I figure out what caused this all this movement right here, all this movement right here. So that's the area that change market direction around this area. So I was looking for only sell opportunity. So when market get to this breaker block right here, market shift occur. There's market shift occur right here, and market went back up, sweep this liquidity to mitigate the candlestick, last candlestick to this breaker block, this last candlestick, and another market shift occurred. This market shift occurred right here. I thought this is where I was looking for opportunity before. Like I wait for market, to come back to this area, this other floor that caused this market shift right here. All this movement, they're like liquidity to me. Like okay, probably market will come back to this middle of this other floor. Then I will look for another opportunity. Then I have to react to what market is doing around this area. I have to react to what market is doing. When market do this movement, I thought, oh, market is ready, to come back to this other flow that caused this market shift. The market we had again, we had to this area in this manner, like when market get to this area, still coming back down. I was like, what is going on? I got to the like I went to the 5 minute like to figure out like let me see the way market is in. I thought market shift or call, probably market will not continue uptrend like that. Then when I stepped down to the 5 minute, when I step to the 5 minute, like I see like market just sweep the area, sweep this last high to the downside, like market only sweep it. I was like, okay, what caused this retracement? Like what caused this movement? I go back to the 1 minute time frame. I figure out like market sweep this area, like this like a liquidity, and market take it out. There's a very value gap right here. There's other block right here. There's very value gap. Market not get to that other block. Only make use of very value gap. The market shift occur. I figure out this market shift, and this is the other very value gap. I'm sorry. This is the other flow that caused this market shift, and market went back up. And another market shift occur. I was like, okay, I think I need to react to what market is doing. No, market is giving me some information right here, and I can't overlook it. I have to react to what market is doing. So when market shifts, I wait for like multiple confirmation in this like mini area in 1 minute. Like I wait for multiple confirmation not to take to this trade. I did all this analysis in 1 minute, though I confirmed a little bit in 5 minutes as well. But I did most of this analysis like in 1 minute time frame. Like there's market, I see like there's liquidity sweep right here, market mitigate, fair value gap, and market shift for call. There's market shift right here, and there's other flow that cause this market shift, and market go back up, to mitigate that other flow, then cause another market shift. There's another market shift right here. And before market shift to occur, there's another other flow right here that caused this market shift to the downside. And market, went back up, to cause this liquidity, mitigate the other flow and cause this liquidity. And this other block in that other flow, this other block, I I place my order when market cause this liquidity, when this liquidity occur, after this liquidity occur, like I have to place my order right here and place my stop loss the back of that, yeah, above that other floor. Yeah. And I place my order and I stepped out. This trade is the most fastest and the most, let me just take biggest win this year though, biggest win. It's just like a 12 minutes way. Like I stepped out before I came in, like market, take profits. Like I was like, what's going on? So that's it, guys. Follow me for more. Peace.